Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. There has been a trend of Congress loyalists exiting the grand old party. After Ashok Chavan, Milind Deora, now Sanjay Nirupam is on his way out. Sources say there is a plan to expel him. Some others say he's going to quit on his own. This is what has happened, then we debate.
After Ashok Chavan, Milind Deora, now Sanjay Nirupam has joined the list of loyalists exiting the Congress. All of them have one thing to say.
हमने तय किया था कि शिंदे साहब के नेतृत्व में मैं पार्टी छोड़कर उनका साथ देना चाहता हूं। मेरी जो राजनीति है, नकारात्मक राजनीति में मैं विश्वास नहीं करता हूं। मेरा जो विचारधारा है, मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र, देश की जनता के लिए काम करना।
जो केंद्रीय नेतृत्व जिसको आप कहते हैं, उनका अपने राज्यों के लीडरों के साथ कोई कम्युनिकेशन ही नहीं है। जो लोग कुछ पोस्ट पे बैठे हुए लोग हैं, उनके अलावा उनके हिसाब से कोई कांग्रेस का नेता है ही नहीं।
The Congress has dropped Sanjay Nirupam from the star campaigners list over alleged anti-party stand.
उनका पूरी तरह से फेलियर है ये। आज मुंबई में 6 में से 5 की 5 सीट शिवसेना लेकर निकल जा रही है और हमको एक भिखारी की तरह 1 सीट दी जा रही है। तो यह कांग्रेस का अपमान है।
Days after Nirupam's ultimatum, Maharashtra Congress chief has proposed High Command to expel its loyalists.
उनका स्टार प्रचारक में नाम आया था, वो हमने कैंसिल किया है। और जिस तरह से उनके वक्तव्य आ रहे हैं, वो किसी की सुपारी लिए जैसे वक्तव्य कर रहे हैं और इसलिए उनके ऊपर शिस्त भंग की कार्रवाई की जाएंगी। आज उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई आज या कल में हो जाएगी।
क्या पार्टी से निकाला जाएगा?
कार्रवाई होगी।
नोटिस दिया जाएगा पहले?
कोई नोटिस नहीं, ऑन द स्पॉट।
Nirupam was quick to take cash-strapped jibe at the Congress, asking the top brass not to waste its energy behind him. Is the Congress insecure of Sanjay Nirupam now? Let's debate.
Sanju Verma, on a lighter note, the way the BJP is taking people, is the BJP going to also take Sanjay Nirupam now? Are the doors open for Sanjay Nirupam as well?
Arnav, why do you start the debate with, throwing a googly at me? But I'm not the one to duck it. I'll just say this. What Amit Shah has said, and he said this even to you, on your highly successful conclave a couple of weeks back. The BJP is not going to compromise on its ideology. We know where we stand. But if there is an Ashok Chavan, or if, there is somebody now like a Vijender Singh, who was a Rahul Gandhi acolyte, a Rahul Gandhi Darbari for the longest time. But if he feels that there is no hope for the country, with an incompetent dynast like Rahul Gandhi, who does not know Wayanad from Amethi, who does not know Krishnagiri from Kanyakumari, then it makes sense, if you want to effect change, be a part of the BJP, which at least has an ideology. Rahul Gandhi की क्या ideology में है? क्या ideology है? आप केरल में लड़ते हो लेफ्ट के खिलाफ, आप वेस्ट बंगाल में उसी लेफ्ट के साथ, हाथ में हाथ मिलाकर तृणमूल कांग्रेस के साथ लड़ते हो. Trinamool Congress has gone to the extent of saying that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress don't have the resources and leadership and wherewithal to even win 40 seats. आपके खुद के alliance partners, they have shown zero faith, scant regard for your leadership abilities, and then you blame the BJP? What did Ashok Chavan? What did Hardik Patel? What did Alpesh Thakur? What did Milind Deora? And now what has Sanjay Nirupam said? The one thing that is common in what each of these people has said, either after departing from the Congress or on the eve of their departure, they have mentioned one thing, and that is, we are highly inspired by Narendra Modi's leadership. And the second thing that they've mentioned, I would like to quote Hardik Patel, who said, कांग्रेस के नेता 400 किलोमीटर चिकन सैंडविच खाने के लिए तो जा सकते हैं, पर 4 किलोमीटर चलकर ये अपने जमीनी कार्यकर्ता के साथ मिलने की इनके पास टाइम नहीं होता है. This is the condition of the.
Sanju, have you forgotten the 4,000 kilometer Bharat Jodo Yatra?
Have you forgotten the 4,000?
Are you suffering from amnesia, Sanju?
Ashok Chavan is.
Are you suffering from amnesia?
Deora left the Congress. What did Jairam Ramesh say? Oh, Milind Deora is not a big deal. Baba Siddiqui left the Congress. What
इतना बिग डील है तो टिकट दे दीजिए ना मिलिंद देवरा को।
Big deal. Alpesh Thakur.
आपके लिए टिकट दे रहे।
What did Jairam Ramesh say? Oh, Alpesh Thakur leaving the Congress is not a big deal. Basically, they are not able to keep their flock together. The party has been abandoned by one and all. In the end, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Robert Vadra, Priyanka Vadra, ये 4 लोगों की प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी रह जाएगी. That is the harsh reality.
अर्नब कैन आई कम इन नाउ?
बचेगा ही नहीं. प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी ऑफ 4 पीपल, माँ, बेटा, बेटी और जवाई. That's it. Private limited company of 4 people.
No,
अर्नब कैन आई रिस्पॉन्ड?
1 minute. Before Ramesh Sabharwal comes in, because Nikhil is on the debate, the comments, the point of concern is, at the end of the day, there will be Robert Vadra, Rahul Gandhi,
Sonia Gandhi and
Priyanka
Priyanka
Vadra,
Vadra.
KC Venugopal and Jairam Ramesh. And Randeep Surjewala.
Arnab, are you
Nobody
are you
else.
forgetting the Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy? Are
No,
you
this
forgetting
is a real.
the
Everybody is
Himachal
got,
Chief
and
Minister
till now
Sukhbir
Sanjit
Saboo?
Pal.
Are you forgetting Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister? What are you talking about, Arnab? The Congress Party is a party that has multiple mass leaders, and people who can't win any elections are now flocking to the BJP for a more comfortable life without the fear or sword of the ED, and that is why they're jumping ship. If Milind Deora is such a great leader, why does the BJP not field him from BJP or Eknath Shinde faction, their franchisee party? Why do they not field him from Mumbai South? They know he can't win. He's not been able to win a single election. Sanjay Nirupam, as he won the election in 2019,
Nirupam shots,
people who are not able to win the Lok Sabha elections are now coming and claiming that the Congress party is not able to do them justice, is not giving them tickets and this and that, and are making anti-party statements. And when some action is taken against those people, those same people come out in public and air their concerns about the party. That is nothing but showing the democracy of the Congress party, and it is completely the right of the party as well to take action against such people. This is election time when the entire flock needs to stand together, and if there will be people like them who will hurt the interests of the party at a time like this, when the dictatorship is running amok, when the democracy of the country is under threat, when the party's bank accounts have been frozen, when opposition leaders are behind jail, then it speaks more about these leaders than about the Congress party.
Congress person, no. You mask yourself as a political analyst. Do you have the guts to say you're a proud congressman? No.
No, I have
Okay,
the
1
guts to
minute.
say that I proudly
I'd like
support the
to
Congress
come in.
party. I proudly support the
Nikhil,
Congress
thank
party.
you.
I proudly support Rahul Gandhi. But so far as me being a part of the Congress party is concerned, I am not a formal member of the Congress party.
कांग्रेस को खत्म
How does that even matter?
अभी सब्र करेंगे. राहुल
Thank you. I'd like to bring in Mrs. Sabharwal. Mrs. Sabharwal. Thank you, please. Nikhil, thank you. Mrs. Sabharwal. Today the comment that has been made by Sanjay Nirupam is that this Congress leadership does not care about its strong local leaders. And Milind Deora did not get a ticket. Uddhav Thackeray said no. He left. Sanjay Nirupam is not getting a ticket because he has criticized Uddhav Thackeray in the past. The Congress party is not standing up for its own people. And no party that does not stand up for its own people can last. He has in fact said that आप लोगों को भिखारी की तरह treat किया जा रहा है. Bhikhari, the word beggar has not been used by me.
Let me.
Sir.
Sir, we formed the India Alliance and we are battling against the people who are following the undemocratic means. The whole country knows.
So don't blame the BJP for Sanjay
Now
Nirupam's exit.
listen, you don't allow us to speak. That is the biggest problem. You people want to speak on your own. Sir, we have to, somewhere we have to do sacrifices. I was also keen, my seat was taken.
Why doesn't Venugopal sacrifice his seat?
Sir, he is contesting from Kerala.
Why does he
He's
not
contesting.
sacrifice?
Sir,
Why does, no,
Sir,
how come?
Sir, we are putting all the senior people into the fray because we want that the country has to be saved, the people who are senior. Now, Sanjay Nirupam's case, we are in alliance with this Maharashtra, you know that. Some people we have to sacrifice. I sacrifice also. My seat was taken by Sheila Dikshit ji and I have sacrificed.
Milind Deora, Baba Siddiqui, Ashok Chavan,
Sir, he came from a different party.
Vijinder Singh,
I'm a congressman.
Savitri
I have a
Jindal,
capacity to sacrifice. But he has to sacrifice.
Naveen
If he's
Jindal,
not getting the seat, he has to sacrifice. If he's
Suresh
not getting the
Pachori,
seat, I
Ajay Kapoor,
have a sympathy for him if he's not getting. I want that he should get. But if he's not getting due to
C.R.
alliance,
Kesavan,
sir, I have a sympathy for him. If
Arnab,
he's not
please also
getting,
read out
if he's
the ED
getting,
and CBI cases against
Congress
all of
party
these
is fighting for
individuals.
his ticket. Who is telling that Congress party is not fighting?
Aditi Singh,
India
Imran
Alliance.
Masood,
Sir, in India
Imran
Alliance,
Masood
we
is
have to sacrifice.
RPN Singh, Ashwini Kumar, Ripun Bora, even Kapil Sibal has left you. मतलब कपिल सिब्बल भी छोड़ के चले गए.
Masood is
आएंगे ही
contesting
और
from
से लेके
Saharanpur.
चलेंगे तो क्या नई बात है.
Arnab, I want to make a quick point.
Jyotiraditya Scindia,
इमरान
Vinod
मसूद वापस
Mishra,
आ गए.
Jitin Prasada,
इमरान मसूद वापस आए.
Amrinder Singh, Amrinder Singh's wife Praneet Kaur, Sunil Jakhar, who was the Punjab Congress
मैडम आपके
president.
पंजाब में कैंडिडेट ही
ये
नहीं
भी
है.
सुनने में आया है कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू भी
अभी तो और जाएंगे.
आचार्य प्रमोद कृष्णन,
एग्जैक्टली जयवीर शेरगिल.
तो दे दो टिकट उनको आप.
Arnab, are you just listing out the liabilities of the Congress party that the BJP
है ना हम लोग, हम है ना फाइट करने के लिए आप लोग.
has electoral bond balance
हम
sheet?
लोग हैं, लड़ेंगे आखिर तब तक.
टीवी डिबेट पर आकर अनाप शनाप बोलना. You know, this is on Sanjay Nirupam. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I want to make one very important point. What triggered Sanjay Nirupam? Arnab, if you listen to that interview that he gave to ADP Maja, which I'm sure Mr. Sabharwal, he will appreciate. पहली बार जब संजय निरुपम showed that he was very, very upset and hurt was when उद्धव सेना ने अनमोल कीर्तिकर को मुंबई नॉर्थ वेस्ट से टिकट दे दी. अनमोल कीर्तिकर's father, Gajaram Kirtikar, he fought on Uddhav Sena's ticket and then joined the Eknath Shinde ranks. Now the funny thing is that Rahul Gandhi was not even consulted by Uddhav Thackeray before making Anmol Kirtikar the Mumbai Northwest candidate. But that is not what.
Also, the funny thing is that within an hour, ET raided him.
Sanjay Nirupam is a
9 a.m. he
Mumbai
gets the ticket,
Northwest
10 a.m. he gets an ET raid.
Or not, Sanjay Nirupam has been a Mumbai Northwest Bahubali. He was defeated by Gajanan Kirtikar, but he thought that maybe it has come up in time in 2024. He's been working on the ground in Mumbai Northwest, and he thought कि कुछ नहीं तो at least मुझे टिकट मिलेगी तो सही. At least Rahul
आप दे
Gandhi
देना
will put
मैडम.
up a fight and say that Anmol
जैसे आपने
Kirtikar
मिलिंद
को
देवरा को
नहीं,
दिया, आप उन्हें भी
संजय
दे देना
निरुपम को
टिकट.
टिकट दो. But Rahul Gandhi does not have the stomach for a fight. That is the harsh reality.
आप दे दो ना टिकट अगर इतना ही काम अच्छा कर रहे हैं वो तो.
कार्यकर्ता.
जिस तरीके से बीजेपी आजकल टिकट दे रही है, थोड़े दिनों में नवाज शरीफ को भी टिकट मिल
Do you
जाएगी.
remember a man called Gurudas Kamath?
We are fighting with
The
the.
late Gurudas Kamath. What did Gurudas Kamath say? I'm sure Mr. Sabharwal, you will appreciate this. Gurudas Kamath was a very tall leader from Mumbai Congress. He's the one man who defeated Jayavanti Ben Mehta in 1991.
he was the president of Mumbai Congress.
Yes. And between 2009 and 2011, he was also a Minister for Communication and Information Technology in UPA 2. Gurudas Kamath on the, Gurudas Kamath just few days before his unfortunate and tragic demise, he said that he feels absolutely abandoned, that a man who once defeated Kirit Somaiya in 2004, a man who defeated Jayavanti Ben Mehta in 1991, he was completely abandoned by the party when he was unwell. He was not even given a proper state burial or funeral, whatever you want to call it. There was nobody to even pay, basic, respect when his last rites
He
were
was
held in
genocide to our
Mumbai a couple
Congress
of years
party.
back.
He was a youth Congress
That is the
president.
condition of congressmen.
Very, very good leader we lost in Maharashtra. He was a Mumbai Congress
Sir,
president.
let me
he was
tell you,
youth Congress president.
not that I would say he's the
Exactly.
most idealistic
Gurudas
politician, but
Kamath is a
Gurudas Kamath
classic
had resigned from
example.
all his
P.V.
positions
Narasimha Rao
in
is a
frustration.
classic example of
He
how
resigned from
Congress
all his
never
positions
stands
in
I was
frustration.
I know. But
He
he's a
resigned
true
from all
loyalist.
his positions
Sir,
in frustration. And I would tell you this today.
he did
The
twice.
Congress party
He did
viewers
twice.
has been taken over by a group of 4 or 5 people
No, we can't allow them
who cannot win a municipal election on their own. And that is my firm fact. I expect Sanjay Nirupam's big headline about him
Sir, we
either
have to
being sacked
sacrifice.
or resigning
Sir, we
tomorrow.
have to sacrifice. We have to
Either
sacrifice.
sacked or resigning tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. And I shall bring you the news sharp at 9 in the big debate tomorrow at 9.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं. जयराम रमेश will say संजय निरुपम is a
Sanjay,
sport guy. ये कौन है? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं.
I'm sure.
Sanjay Nirup is a good leader. He's a
Okay,
good
viewers,
leader.
that's
We
a
have a
developing
sympathy if he
that's a
will not get a
developing
ticket.
story, and I'll
We
see
have
you
to
tomorrow at
sacrifice.
9.
We have to sacrifice.
At 9. Ladies and
India Alliance is
gentlemen,
sacrifice.
at 9 tomorrow I shall see you. hopefully with Sanjay Nirupam live. Good night and goodbye.
Thank you.